Hey, what's up, guys? Jean here. Tonight I'm going to look at a proposed landing site for a 2020 mission to Mars. It's from HiRISE, and I downloaded the high resolution JP2 and cropped some images that I want to show you guys. I'll include the link to the site in the video description below. So without wasting any time, guys, here's the first image I want to show you. It's of these strange group of geological features that I like to call feathers, feathery anomalies. Up there's more of them, but these very fine looking structures in them. And then there's these that look almost like long narrow clouds. Especially if you look at how this one over here is lying on the surface, and it's not really breaking up when it crosses these cracks in the rock or surface below. It's a very strange anomaly. And over here, guys, you can see more of these feathery looking features. It's interesting to see how they tend to bend at 90 degrees, how they go underneath and over each other. Get that there. It's almost as if these are geological structures that are twisting through each other in some way. Guys, here's more of them over here. They seem to be forming bridges over this crack in the surface. Very odd to see how they actually remain solid and extend over these gaps. There's more of them over here, guys. Have a look at how they tend to split at the ends, almost like feathers. And over here I found some interesting geology as well. Looks like tiles, could even be roads. I'm just speculating, guys. But there's also some of these bright areas in some of the images I'm going to show you guys a bit later. Look at these here, guys, and how they tend to break up, especially over there. Very thin features, and then they seem to twist around each other there. That one's twisting around this one here. That's what it looks like to me, guys. Down here we've got some more of these very thin, long features. They look almost like roots, plant roots or something like that. I'm not saying that's what they are, but they look very, very strange. And in there too, in this crater or hole, there's some more of them there. Guys, look how fine the structures are. As I say, they look almost like feathers. Yeah, you can see a bit more detail. I've enhanced these photographs, guys, so I've adjusted the contrast levels quite a bit. It helps to bring out the detail that I'm showing you. Yeah, they look almost like ostrich feathers. Look at these fine structures there, almost like roots. There's another one of these bright spots, and you'll see many of those when you look at the JP2 if you guys get a chance. There's more of them over there, guys. Look at how they start in this straight line. Looks very unnatural, but yeah, I guess that's the way these things form. And there's more of them down here, and then there's this strange anomaly to the left. It looks almost like a dam that's dried up. Guys, here's more of them. Okay, these are more solid, but it's strange to see how the finer ones are perpendicular to these more solid ones. Some more of them over here, guys. Another group of these very fine structures there. Look at this too, guys. Some of that very fine geology over there. And look at how they cross perfectly over the surface. Here's another example of that. These could even be dunes, guys, very long, narrow dunes. But look at how they are perfect. There's no debris or dust between these lines. They look too perfect. Like Elon says, it looks almost like CGI because it looks so perfect. And look there, guys. That was for his Tesla car that was orbiting Earth. I'm sure you guys heard that it looks too good. That looks almost like CGI. And there's some conspiracy theorists that now believe that car was never launched. But look at that, guys, how these structures seem to cross each other. Now we have some of that fine, long, feathery things. There they are underneath these very wide anomalies there. There's another bright spot. Guys, then I found what looks like walls running along here and down there, and then this odd looking patch over there which looks almost like tiles. Something artificial about that there. Could be. There's another bright spot, and there's another bright spot there, guys. But have a look at these long lines. They look almost like walls built from these boulders or rocks. There's another one over here running down this image, guys. Some more walls over here, what look like walls running down this image. And there's another bright spot at the top there, guys. And have a look at this. That was the dam, or part of it that I showed earlier. There's some more of these fine, feathery looking geology over there. Another wall running along the bottom here, guys. And then up along there. Yeah, is some of those very bright spots that I saw. They look almost like mounds, and there's a very strange looking artificial boulder or rock there, guys, on top. So more what looked like walls running through this image, guys. And over here, more bright spots, more mounds. Here's 3 next to each other there, another one here. Get that one here in the middle, guys. And then here to the left. All probably sand, a lot of boulders in. Could these be natural, guys? Why is NASA so interested in this site for a proposed landing in 2020? And I found this very odd looking feature. It looks like This area here has been mined or flattened somehow. There's a line running down here, down the screen, guys, and then across to the left, and then there's this massive hole. I've got a zoomed in one of that over here for you. Look at that, guys. How artificial does that look? There's that wall, could be a wall, and look inside here. It is so smooth, guys. Could this have been machined? This is a very odd looking anomaly, and I wonder if it's natural. There's some more of those feathery looking geological features in the bottom right there, guys. And I found this. It looks like a monument, very smooth, oblong, looks like a structure. Also zoomed in on it for you guys, it's right there. Is this natural, I wonder? Look at the debris around it. Looks very, very unnatural, out of place. There's some more of these patterns in the ground. Possibly roads, I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. This is what I see. And that is what I wanted to show you there. This is the NASA page here, guys. Candidate landing site for 2020 mission. I'll include that link for you guys below. As I say, I downloaded the merged RGB map projected image, 214 megabytes. I'm sure the 836 megabytes image will have more detail in it, guys, but that is a bit too big for me to download. And then this is it here in high view. Just zoom in for you guys to show what it looks like once you've zoomed in high view. This is going to kill my processor. I can hear the CPU fan working overtime, guys. There's that mound with that strange looking anomaly on top of it. If you guys get a chance, try and download the JP2 and go through this, guys. I've only shown you a couple of the anomalies and features that I found interesting. There are many, many more, like this area here, for example. Could these be roads? Could this be a city? Who knows? Just speculating, guys. So yeah, look at all these boulders and rocks all lined up. Could those be walls? There's those bright spots, some more of them. Over there, over there. Why is NASA so interested in this area, guys? I found some more odd looking structures up here somewhere. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I don't want to keep you much longer. This has been a very long video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to bring you some more Mars anomalies soon, guys. Take care, and I'll be in touch soon. Bye bye for now.